YouTube. Saab 9.3 2007, problem with driver's window regulator. So nothing surprise, I think so. So standard symptoms, a peel off, that's almost natural, but doesn't matter. Problem is in the window regulator is completely quiet, but if you want up this, you will be hear the noise. Looks like the switch is okay and power is coming. Nothing going down, and you have the lights here. So if I press, the lights is deeper. That means the power is coming to the motor. Okay, before I remove the panel for check the window regulator motor, first I try open the roof, and we see this window will be go down not from the switch, just from the body computer, probably. And we see what's happened. So we have the ignition on, and okay, we try. Okay, there. All right, so I have some stuff in the boot. Okay, first I have to remove it. 1 second. Okay, but anyway, the windows was not going down any one of the side, so looks like we have a problem. Okay, roof is open, but any one glass is not going down. The rear is running. Separate all is running like should be, but the driver is quiet. But maybe that's the button problem, because if I press down, nothing happens. So I try clean up first the button. If I go up, I heard the ticking the motor, so maybe that will be the switch only. But anyway, if you want to remove the switch, you have to remove the panel. Okay, let's go. Okay, so when I started close the roof is almost on the halfway, so the windows go down automatically. So looks like the motor is working, so probably more problems is in the switch. Okay, very nice. So if the window is down, switch down still is not working, we'll be working on the up. Lovely. So looks like switch problem. Very well. Or connection to the motor for the close the window. So check yours if you have similar problem, because that is the looks like the 99% switch has the problem. All right. Okay, some pieces drop down. Looks like actually from here. Lovely. Okay, next we have the screw inside. got something. Why? So now just pop out. Why is it so tight? Okay, so now we have to disconnect the cable. Okay. Interested. Okay. And now we have to disconnect this case from now. Okay, so that is not necessary. Okay, let me see what's happening. To disconnect this, whole panel could be out. And problem is with the switch. Hopefully that will be possible to fix. So let me see what's happened here. Okay, looks like simple thing. Nothing special there, puzzles. So looks like if we want you see a little water here. So I think after clean up everything will be come back to life. I didn't see any more rust here. I hope that's be help. We see. Time to plug in and we see. Still nothing. Okay, so we strip again and we see what's happened. I found something else. This is the switch, and the power from this switch could be going to this way, but actually here, very hard to show, but actually here in this place here is like gap. I have to just use the multimeter and check this line has the continuity. If is, that's fine. If not, try fix this. That's be fun. Let me see. I'm not sure that it will be possible to show, but actually line close to the switch is looks like damage. Looks like we have the gap there. Okay, we see. Looks like actually this place has the gap. The other side, what I'm think first here, that is okay, but 100% here I have the gap. And that actually is the switch. Simply test. If we check actually here and here we have continuity, but here nothing. If I'm check here and here, nothing. Funny. Okay, looks like I have between this and this, but not between this and this, because this line coming here. Okay, for me 100% here is the gap. First I have to little remove it, the insulator. I hope that's enough. We see this is really teeny. Now we see. Must be between this and this. I have something because the okay, sorry, this one. Yeah. Now 100% the switch will be works. Well done. Alright, so battery was collapsed. Of course I'm charging now. So, but I think the small gap in this line, that will be help. Should be fixed this a little bit better, but at the moment I have only solder big like that. So now the line working fine. Hopefully when I put back everything will be start working. first I think this relay is damaged because it's not clicking, but that was the first idea, simple idea, but like you see, not the first thinking is right. Hopefully battery will be now better. Okay, key. So, like you see, the others running okay. Of course, I'm as well change the switch from the front to the back because it's the same, but just the angle is like that, so you can switch this like the cross, no, or for the side. You have to just replace for the line, so that's will be a little bit better. Someday maybe I will be looking for new switches or just repaint. That is peel off, so repaint probably will be not make sense. Okay, anyway, job done. The window is back to life. Like you see, the little rust make the damage the line. That's all. Okay guys, so now time to recharge the battery and put back everything like it was before. And happy day. Okay. Okay, so the panel just jump in and go down. Of course this corner is a little bit destroyed because that's welcome to Saab world. Oh yeah, let's plug in, and this one just will be in there. Just like that. Okay, later. Okay, so but anyway, we have the power. No, we don't have. Power is here. That's working. Okay, time to the 2 bolts. And use the longer. And 25 or 30. 30, I think. Okay, 1 and 2. Let's just guess where's the hole. Yeah, it's in. This is not big scratch in my one, but maybe someday I will be looking for new or repaint. That could be possible, but it's not yet. Now time to click in. Looks not too bad. Job done. So if you have something similar, worth check actually the electronic parts inside the switch. Maybe will be damaged exactly like my one. Okay guys, see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.